Hello friends and welcome to our coding adventure. Today we are going to learn how to control a little light with code. First, we'll make it blink on and off, then we'll make it breathe. How cool is that? Let's get started. First, we're going to make our little LED light blink. That means turning it on and off over and over again. Let's open Mixly, our coding playground, and let's build our first code. We'll grab a digital write block. This block sends simple on and off signals. Then we'll set the pin to 7 since that's where our LED is connected. We'll then add a delay block and set it to 1000 milliseconds so that the light stays on for a little bit. We'll repeat the same process, but this time we'll set our block to low. This means off. This way, our LED will turn on and off over and over again. All done. Let's upload our code to the board. Click the upload button and let's see what happens. Look, the LED is blinking. You just told the light what to do with code. Awesome job, coder. We can also make both LED lights, that is red and green, blink. To do that, we'll repeat the same process as in variation 1, but this time round, we'll add more blocks for the green LED light. For the red LED light, we'll set the pin to 7, and for the green LED light, we'll set the pin to 8, since that's where our green LED light is connected. With this code, we are giving the following instructions. First, we are telling the red LED light to turn on for 1 second, then go off for 1 second. Then afterwards, the green light will also turn on for a second, then go off for a second. All done. We can now upload our code. Awesome! Now the lights are blinking at intervals. Making an LED blink is cool. But what if we could make it fade in and out, like it's taking a deep breath? For this next project, we are going to make our LED breathe. To achieve this, we need a new block called analog write. This block allows us to choose a level of brightness from 0, which is off, all the way to 255, which is super bright. For these blocks, we'll set our pin to 3, 5, or 6. Since that's where our RGB LED is connected. For this illustration, we'll choose pin 3. We'll then set the brightness level in the intervals of our choice. Do not forget to add a delay block after every analog write block so that the light does not change too fast. Ready? Let's upload the code and see the magic. Wow! Look at that! The LED is slowly fading in and out, just like it's breathing. Amazing! A point to note. An RGB LED usually has 3 colors, red, green, and blue. So you can play with the colors, change the pin, and see what color you get. Let's set our pin to 5 and see what color it gives us. See, it's It's now green in color and not blue like it was in the first variation. Writing our code using one block at a time takes so much time, so we're going to use a special block called a for loop. A loop helps us repeat things again and again. Get your for loop block from the control segment. Then insert an analog write block and a delay block in the for loop block. Now, we'll use the variable from our loop, usually called I, to change the brightness. Our first loop will count from 0 up to 250. This makes the LED get brighter slowly. Next, we do the same thing again, but backwards. We'll add another for loop that counts from 250 down to 0. This makes our LED fade. For this illustration, we'll set our pin to 6 and see what color it gives us. Awesome! Now let's upload the code. This is incredible! The LED is slowly fading in and out, and this time it's red in color. Always remember that you can use only 3 pins for the RGB LED. That is pin 3, 5, and 6. And anytime you change the pin, of course, you get a different color. Quick quiz. What do you press if you had fun? Yep, like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. You did an amazing job today, coder. See you in the next lesson. And until then, keep coding and keep creating. Bye!